Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, my dog will receive the spa service in our house. First, we're gonna prepare the area where the groomer will work. I'm placing 2 pee pads, just in case, a bathtub, extra towels, my dog's towels and her special shampoo. I have to remove the microwave from the kitchen so that the groomer work with more space, and she has all this space to place her table and everything, and do the grooming service to my dog very comfortable. So now guys, I want to give you 2 advices. The first one, you need to take your dog for a walk because you have to exhaust the energy of your dog. So with it, your dog can stay calm at the time of the grooming service. My second advice is, if this is the first time that the groomer comes to your house, it's better that the groomer doesn't knock the door. The better option to do is wait to the groomer outside the house, and when the groomer arrives, your dog can smell and meet the groomer, and then all together can enter to the house and your dog will be more calm. In my case, this is the second time that the groomer comes to my house. That's why I only went out for a walk with my dog to exhaust her energy. Well, right now Candy and I returned home, and now I'm going to wash the harness. It's good to keep all your dog's accessories very clean. Can you imagine your dog when it's very clean and smells so good and his accessories are dirty and smell bad? No way. Please keep clean always his accessories. For example, when my dog takes a bath, I wash her harness and blankets. Always. So the groomer is here. She's Jess, the Candy's groomer. She's setting up the work table and everything. In the screen you have her website and her social media. Please go and follow her. I love Jess because she's very professional. She has everything in her magic suitcase and I love it. It's time to bring Candy. She's under the sofa, but it's normal. In this case, you can use cookies to approach to your dog. Please be very gentle with your dog and try to approach him with patience and love. And then you will take your dog in your arms to give him to the groomer. Uy, cosita. This is very important. It's better if you stay away from your dog and let the groomer work alone. But at the same time, you have to be there, just in case if the groomer will need you. In my case, I placed the camera in a strategic place, so I was in the dining room and in the living room and my bedroom. So I was making some jewelry that day, so I was very busy, the same as the groomer. Look, right now Candy is uncomfortable when Jess tried to cut her nails, but immediately she put away the tool. She takes her time, talks to Candy, she's taking few minutes, and then Jess will continue her job. And now Candy's doing great. If you take your dog to a grooming service in another place, you must verify that your dog is returned to you without any injuries or traumas. If so, don't take your dog there anymore. It's time to take a bath. If your dog has sensitive skin, you can offer the special shampoo to the groomer. If your dog has any pain in any part of his body, you should tell the groomer to be careful. If you have problems with any ear infections too, you must tell everything to your groomer. And the groomer will work very carefully with your pup. Now Jess is going to dry the Candy's body with a towel and then with a hair dryer. I interrupt in Jess' work only 2 times. One to plug the dryer and 2, I offer her something to drink. And please guys, don't interrupt in the groomer work. And you know what? If you want to show a photo to the groomer to explain how you want the new hairstyle for your dog, do it before the groomer starts the service. In my case, I decide to keep Candy's hair short. And also try to have a good energy and be relaxed, please. You don't have to be nervous or afraid because your dog can feel your energy. So it's better if you are relaxed, your dog will be relaxed too. When the groomer finishes his job, don't forget to reward your dog with a cookie or a special snack. Below in my info box, you will find a different videos with a healthy snack for dogs. Guys, this is the best part. Just cleans up the mess and leave your house very clean, the same as your doggy. Now I'm going to pay with my debit card, but you can pay with cash or check if you want. The price is gonna be different depending on the service that your dog needs. I want to say thank you, yes, for your love and patience with my baby girl Candy. You are welcome to our house always. If you like, guys, this video, please give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow us on my social media. See you next time. Bye bye.